Introducing Forever Daily with AOS Complex, the most advanced nutrient delivery system available. Our proprietary new formula contains 55 perfectly balanced aloe-coated nutrients, including recommended daily allowances of essential vitamins and minerals, synergistically formulated to provide you the nutrition needed to support optimal health and vitality every day. Forever Daily supports daily energy needs, immune system, proper metabolism, cardiovascular health, bone health, and proper mental activity.
As a nutritionist and as a mom, I'm really excited about the Forever Daily because it really addresses the needs that I have, as well as people like me, working moms, parents, who have a lot of stress in their lives, for example. This is gonna really provide that balance that they need to make up the differences of the things that aren't in our diet or that we forget about in our diet because we get super busy. My kids love the Forever Kids product, and the Forever Daily makes that possible for me as well, so that this is targeted to me as an adult with my needs in mind.
Nutrients in the AOS Complex Delivery System have high performance characteristics, meaning they are more efficiently absorbed from the digestive system, and in the case of minerals, are targeted to specific body systems.
The AOS system is a delivery system. We want to offload the nutrients. We want to get increased absorption, increased bioavailability. It's a method for sequestering and holding in the correct place all the nutrients and all their transport systems, their sub-transport systems, the amino acids, the organic acids, all the different things that we're putting together.
We are even more excited about the research that shows how when we take Forever Daily along with aloe vera gel, it can increase the bioavailability of certain nutrients by up to 3 times.
A researcher in South Africa took on a simplification process. They wanted to factor out all the variables and say, what will aloe vera do if I take vitamins? And so they gave a group of people vitamins alone. They gave a group of people vitamins and aloe vera, and they found that the people who took the aloe vera with the vitamins had about 3 times the absorption rate. They were able to pinpoint this out of all the things that aloe vera has been claimed to do over all the years and in all the cultures. They took this one simple idea and they really opened up the door to how aloe vera works. It's really a synergist. It helps assist other things to do their jobs more effectively.
So if you heard me say many times before, it all starts with drinking aloe vera.
Forever Daily also includes a proprietary blend called FVX20 that contains 20 specific fruits and vegetables that you may not get in your daily diet.
Many fruits and vegetables have colors to them. Those colors actually represent different phytonutrients that are in those foods, and they each have an important benefit to our health. So to make sure that we could include that full range that nature has available to us, we included 20 different fruits and vegetables to maximize that nutritional value that we can get from nature.
Synergistically formulated to provide you truly balanced nutrition, Forever Daily supports optimal health and vitality on a daily basis. New Forever Daily from Forever Living Products, the most advanced nutrient delivery system available.